I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Focus headlight. First, you'll want to open your car's bonnet to access the headlight area. For this task, you'll primarily need a T30 Torx wrench or a large flat-headed screwdriver if a Torx isn't available. A medium flat-headed screwdriver and a soft cloth are also helpful. Make sure you have plenty of light, ideally natural daylight, to clearly see what you are doing. Now that your bonnet is open, let's get started. You'll find a single securing screw located at the very top of the headlight unit. This screw is usually a T30 Torx, but it often has a large slot, so a big flat-headed screwdriver can also work perfectly. Carefully unscrew this fastener completely and set it aside in a safe place so it doesn't get lost during the removal process. With the screw removed, gently pull the headlight unit forward by about 1 inch or 3 centimeters. You'll then need to locate 2 plastic clips at the bottom rear of the headlight assembly. These clips often require a firm push downwards, sometimes with a flat-bladed screwdriver, to release them. Once the clips are disengaged, carefully pull the headlight unit further out and disconnect the electrical connector from its back. This connector can be a bit stiff, so press the tab and pull firmly. To reinstall, first reconnect the electrical plug to the back of the headlight unit, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Next, carefully align the plastic lugs on the bottom of the headlight with their corresponding slots on the chassis. Gently slide the entire headlight unit back into its housing until it sits flush. Reinsert and tighten the T30 Torx screw at the top to secure it. Finally, turn on your car and test all the lights to confirm everything is working as it should.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.